Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today we are talking about the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500, a bike that brings back the legendary Bullet name, now reborn with modern technology and classic soul, design and style. The 2025 Bullet 500 keeps that timeless Royal Enfield charm, the iconic teardrop tank, hand-painted pinstripes, and solid metal body. But now, it gets a modern twist with LED headlamps, premium switchgear, and a semi-digital instrument cluster. It's still the Bullet we love, but sharper and more refined. Engine and performance. Under the tank, there's a brand new 452 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, producing around 40 PS of power and 40 Newton meters of torque. It's fuel-injected, smoother, and paired with a 6-speed gearbox, keeping that signature Bullet thump alive with cleaner, stronger performance. Ride and handling. Built on a twin down-tube frame, it offers solid stability and comfort. You get telescopic front forks, twin rear shock absorbers, and dual-channel ABS with disc brakes on both ends. Whether it's city roads or long highways, the Bullet 500 is made for every journey. Features and comfort. Expect modern touches like a USB charging port, LED lights, and an improved riding posture for comfort. With a 13.5-litre fuel tank and around 805mm seat height, it's practical, comfortable, and built for real-world use. Price and launch. The new Bullet 500 is expected to launch by mid to late 2025, with prices ranging between 2.5 Indian rupees to 3 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. It will sit above the classic 350, giving riders more power and refinement. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.